a 2021 Nissan Rogue. Unit runs and drives. Looks like the vehicle rolled over. Need a fender, hood. A-pillar has some damage. The roof. We laid a windshield in the car to keep the weather out. You have some damage to the door, the rear door, quarter panel, tail light, rear hatch and bumper looks good. It's an all-wheel drive. It's just the front part of the roof that's damaged. You may be able to repair it. I don't think you have to replace the roof skin. Need the fender on this side. A-pillar is damaged here also. Be able to save that. Not too bad. Headlight. Looks like you're saving the front bumper also. I don't see any damage there. Everything under the hood looks good. Aprons are good. Radiator support looks real nice and square. The unit does start and drive. Starts right up. Let's take a look inside. Forward bags are good. I believe both curtain airbags are deployed. It'll be on the website soon. If you like our content, please subscribe, hit the like button. We'll try to upload vehicles, walk around videos of vehicles daily. We have hundreds of vehicles coming in every month. We're one of the largest dealers in the Northeast. Thanks for watching.